start making a lotus. The things we require are color papers, sharpened pencil, scale, eraser, FEVICOL or a FEVISTIK.
Now you need to blow it so that it could blast. And if it is coming out again and again like this, you can also staple it or stick it. So we are going to stick it. Taking a drop of FEVICOL just inside it and just sticking it like this. Stop.
And you maybe stick it.
Same from the other side. You may also staple it instead of sticking it. See, she has put the FEVICOL till the end so that it does not comes out. Okay.
And now blow it. And from opposites. Now we will take out some petals.
The much you blow, the much it looks beautiful. This is how finally a 7-year-old girl makes a flower.